Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to everyone. Thank you for being a part of today's class. I am here today to start week 14 of literature class. Welcome to EPSEC online support program. Today we will start chapter 6. For this, the required pages are 26 to 29. The resources which are required for this textbook and notebook. Introduction or summary of the lesson. In this lesson, we will be able to take a brief review of chapter 1 to 5, learn new words, comprehend and summarize chapter 6, and complete exercises given on pages 54 to 55 in textbook. Today's thought of the day is everyone needs a house to live in, but a supportive family is what builds a home. Families are like branches on a tree. We grow in different directions, yet our root remains as one. Family is the support you will never have to pay for because, come rain or shine, they will be there to cheer you on with every of your life goals. No family is perfect. We argue, we fight, we even stop talking to each other at times. But in the end, family is family. The love will always be there. Today's objectives are student will be able to recall the previous chapters to understand the new topic. Read and summarize chapter 6 to proceed the story. Learn new words and write their meanings in their notebooks. Maintain vocabulary bank. Complete exercises given on pages 54 to 55. Before proceeding the story, we will have a recap of chapters 1 to 5. In the previous videos, we were able to summarize chapters 1 to 5, identify the theme of chapters, write the meanings of new words in notebook, learn the basic letter format, letter writing strategies and etiquettes, samples and format of diary entry, do's and don'ts of character sketch. In this video, I'd like to recall chapters 1 to 5. The story starts from a Swiss family which hoped to find a new life in Australia. Their ship was caught in a terrible storm and crashed onto a rock on their way to Australia. The crew had deserted the sinking ship. They tried to figure out ways in which to get themselves to the nearby island. They decided to join 8 tubs together with long pieces of wood to make a type of raft to get to the island. They carried some useful supplies and a few of the animals with them. On the island, they had to do various things to survive, such as they searched food, made tent, saved rest of the animals, and built beautiful tree house. Summary of chapter 6. Every day brings new discoveries for the family and they feel more comfortable in their new home. The family decides to give names to the different areas of island in order to save themselves from any difficulty. They first name Bay of Safety and Providence Bay to the place from where they first arrive because the place provides them with protection from the storm. They give names to almost every part of the island. The tree house is named as Falcon's Nest, bridge is named as Family Bridge. Other interesting things names are Flamingo Marsh or Shark Island and Monkey Grove. Most days pass peacefully. One day, Pastor goes to the far end of the island. It is late when he returns to the tree house that he comes to know that his wife Elizabeth is climbing down the stairs of Falcon's Nest, but she feels dizzy and she falls down and her right leg is injured. She is in great pain. The pastor gives first aid to his wife. Everybody helps around the house as much as they can to provide comfort to Elizabeth. In about 2 weeks' time, Elizabeth has completely recovered. Write the meanings of given words in your notebook. Discovery, brilliant, bay, providence, marsh, groove, awfully, anxiously, groan, dizzy. Whole the story is surrounded by the tree house, which they named as Falcon's Nest, so it is suggested the title of chapter 6 will be Falcon's Nest. Tasks to be done in textbook given on pages 54 to 55. Question number 1 is choose A, B or C to complete the following sentences, means you will have to select correct option from the given 3. Number 2, match 1 to 5 with A to E to make true sentences. Write A to E in the boxes. Question number 3 is fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words in capital. Number 1. The three climbers found a place of dash to spend the stormy night. The word is given safe and the correct form will be safety. So the rest of the sentences will be done likewise. Question number 4 is find the words in chapter 6 that mean the same as. Number 1. Correct or suitable. What will be the word which will have the same meaning given on page 26? Yes, it will be protection. Sentence number 2 is face or skin having a rather white color. Given on page number 26? Yes, it will be pale. So likewise, the rest of the sentences will be done by you. Do your work neatly in your textbook by mentioning the date, and please avoid to copy summary in your notebook. It is just for your understanding. Thank you. Have a nice day.